फाइनली मैं वहाँ पहुँच गई हूँ जिसके लिए मैंने महीनों से इंतज़ार किया है। तनुश्री ने मुझे बहुत पहले बताया था एंड वी वर वेटिंग, मतलब लिटरली डिलिबरेटली फॉर दिस डे। फाइनली मैं विनिंग्स 3 के इवेंट में पहुँच गई हूँ और ये बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत इवेंट होने वाला है। आ जाओ दिखाते हैं।
ये यहाँ पर इवेंट है और ये मैम यहाँ पर परफॉर्मेंस देने वाली हैं। लुकिंग गाइस, so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful.
What Divya just mentioned, that because of this competitive environment where we all are, where we have to manage a lot of things, that is of course, like Swati just spoke about the work-life balance, which is there in every one of us. We are always struggling to be perfect. At every stage, whether it's our home, whether it's with our kids, whether it's being a daughter-in-law or a daughter, whether it's being a wife, we are always struggling to be perfect at every point of. So we need to have those things even at workplace, so that we have some sort of some healthy discussions, maybe some forums where females are educated about the fact that it's absolutely fine to do certain things and some things should be avoided. Now, peace of mind is a struggle. I always tell my patients that when we talk about negative thinking, depression, हो जाएगा तो I'll be happy, मेरा काम अच्छा रहेगा I'll be happy, the money is coming in I'll be happy. We need to realize that we have to find happiness in our own self rather than finding happiness outside. And mental peace, state of mind comes in with, of course, a good lifestyle. Always focus on your diet, eat healthy, clean food. Negative foods should be out. Of course, when we talk about junk food, fried food, all these kind of artificial preservatives, these are certain things which usually get a lot of negativity with it also. So your diet really plays a role in it. Exercise again is.
Call upon Gunjan ma'am, and she would be felicitating Mr. Anil Arora. Clap, friends. Thank you. And Miss Vinnie Mathur. Gunjan ma'am, if you can felicitate her as well.
Thank you.
Anil sir and Vinnie ma'am, if you can felicitate Dr. Prachi Sareen Sethi. Gunjan ma'am, you can also be a part of it. Please guys, a big round of applause. Our well-renowned IVF specialist, Dr. Beena Muktesh ma'am. And Swati Gupta, please. Prachi ma'am, Beena ma'am, if you can please felicitate her. Gunjan ma'am also, if you all can felicitate her. Sir, you can also stand with her, you can felicitate. Gunjan ma'am, you can be a part of it, please. Thank you everybody for joining us here. Please be seated. So Gunjan ma'am, you have to be here. Okay, so let's welcome Gunjan ma'am. She is the director for Motherhood Hospital to say a few words and enlighten us about, give us more insight on Motherhood Hospital Gurgaon. So please welcome her on stage and let's do a big round of applause again.
Yes. So I hope you all are fine with it. Yes. First of all, welcome all of you.
Be careful of it.
Yeah. Welcome all of you, and it's a pleasure to host so many different females who are actually in their, different fields of, I would say, experience. Yes, that is the right word. I mean, I wouldn't say that into different streams altogether, but I would say experience. So I've been working with doctors like Dr. Beena, Dr. Prachi, and I have learned a lot from them, and I've seen them, they have been promoting, ab bas kar do. So they have been promoting a lot about women health, and I believe that I myself don't hear to them. I mean, she keeps on telling me, Gunjan, dekh le apni health, dekh le. But I don't take care of it. That's why I'm here. So, but then motherhood is specifically for women's health, and we actually personalize the care for women because our biological needs are different, our socio-economic needs are different, the other needs, which I would not like to say, psychological needs basically, are very different. So I would suggest that every one of us, when we are talking about health, we should actually first of all think about our own health. Are we taking care of it? Are we thinking about our health? Our health means that the health of the family is good. Are we doing that? So there were a lot of discussions which came across regarding decisions making, and everything is fine. But we need to be in the right frame when we are making these decisions, right? And somewhere down the line, I think health makes a lot of difference. So motherhood, it's a very close thing. I've been working with women and children for last 22 years. Worked with a lot of other hospitals, but women in health came as a stop to me. I think we start taking care of it. You go to any of the places where you feel comfortable, get your health checkups done. It's very, very important at this point of time. The most important thing is what you think about yourself and what you bring to your children. I think that's something which will come across. Not taking much of time on that, I'll just briefly explain how motherhood started off its journey. So we started off in 2011 with small hospitals in Bangalore, in Hebal and other places. In 2017, we got this funding from the investors, and then it funded in the Asia Health Holding, which is a partner in India. So that's where we started off, and from India. And we have everything right from infertility to go up to the level of care of small newborns. We do a lot of CSR activities because we have a lot of newborn coming in with who require a lot of help, and we run a CSR activity for that. If you look at it under our Asia Holding banner, we have NOVA, which I'm sure you all know about. Motherhood, we all know about. AIMU is the Asian Institute. It's a new participate in building it up more. And here comes the event manager, Madam Tanushri. She's nicely smiling away. So we would like to welcome Tanushri over here. And I think that's good about it. Hi Tanushri, welcome. The stage is yours.
The podium कोई मारेगा तो नहीं मेरे को?
मैंने तो try कर लिया.
Makes me feel safe. Thank you so much everyone for joining us today. Most of you know me. I am the founder of Winnings 3 and I am one of the co-organizers for this particular event. And it's so happy to see lovely faces from Delhi NCR. You all, most of you I think would know, but for those who don't, I used to be living here in Delhi NCR and I lived here for 15 years and I was working in a corporate setup. So when I was working in a corporate setup, I saw that it's not a man's world, it's not a woman's world at all. It is always a man's world. आपको तरक्की करनी है, सुट्टा ब्रेक पे जो भी आपका मतलब कोऑर्डिनेट होता है, सबऑर्डिनेट होता है, वो जाता है, वो जाके मैनेजर को पिटा लेता है, सुट्टा मारता है साथ में, मतलब और फिर हाँ सर को पता है ना, सो होता है, ऐसे ऐसे होता है.
इतना ज़्यादा कि आजकल लड़कियां भी सुट्टा मारने लग गई, मैंने देखा है बहुत ज़्यादा. आई एम नॉट बीइंग आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनी बायस हियर. इट्स देयर पर्सनल चॉइस, पर्सनल डिसीजन. किसी को सुट्टा मारना है मारो, किसी को दारू पीना है पियो, नथिंग लाइक दैट. But I'm just telling how the things have evolved, in this corporate world. I have been a part of this corporate structure, and I know how hard it is for a female to sustain herself in a, upper or a top position. मैंने देखा है, like I have a friend who is placed with a very big MNC as a vice president. उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. शी टेल्स मी एवरी डे दैट आई क्राई एवरी डे टू स्लीप. अगर इतनी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स होती है तो छोड़ दो नौकरी. बट एंड उसके बाद मैंने कोशिश किया कि मैं इसके बाद क्या करूं, क्योंकि राइटिंग डज नॉट गिव यू इट डज नॉट पे फॉर योर बिल्स उतना ज़्यादा. सो देन आई थॉट आई शुड मूव ऑन. अगर मुझे पीनट्स ही अर्न करना है, मैं कुछ नहीं अर्न करूँगी, बट मुझे कुछ करना था फॉर द कम्युनिटी. बिकॉज मुझे बहुत सारे फीमेल्स को देख के अच्छा लगता था. I used to feel good when I used to see all these females who are doing something from their houses. I used to draw inspiration from that. And that is how I started Winnings 3, which was a 2-member platform, and today we are 15,000. It's a very small number, but it is, it is just gathering the community together and doing something for, for the community. And in my own way, I try to give back to the society. And I have evolved, and I proudly say that this is my 5th innings, because पहला था मेरा corporate stint, दूसरा था मेरा motherhood, that is a full-time job. I'm sure all mommies would agree. The 3rd stint was content. The 4th stint is Winnings 3, and the 5th stint, from Winnings 3, I developed another line. At the age of 40, I became a retention marketer. So, to most of all who don't know what retention marketing is, if you know that, there are D2C brands these days, which are direct to consumer. So I cater and scale to these brands, and I look after their email marketing and their WhatsApp marketing, their SMS marketing, and their push notification marketing. So I have evolved, and I feel proud to say that मैंने finally वो हुनर सीख लिया जिससे मुझे घर बैठे ही इनकम हो जाए. So अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ ना, so everyone can do it. Everyone can do it. On that note, thank you so much. Over to you.
Moments, and we'll be inviting them all on stage with a big round of applause. So we are just 2 people here in the room. How many of us are here? So a loud applause.
Guys, more louder, guys.
Shall
Very, very big round of applause. Can you please come here and say namaste to all the friends? They would love to applaud you. Yes. Thank you, both of you. It was a wonderful performance. Miss Winnie Mathur ma'am, to felicitate, let's begin it. Dr. Sanjana Nair. She is a social impact leader, a astro-numero social well-being service provider. And the name of the organization, she is the founder for Sephronia, the Journey Within. Can you please have us on stage, everybody? Mr. Anil Arora, sir. Miss Winnie Mathur, ma'am, yes. Is she here? Sanjana Nair, you're here? Dr. Sanjana? Okay, all right. Next up is Miss Namrata Kalia. She is the founder for Moms and More Community for Women. Let's welcome her on stage. Anil sir, I would like to want you to be on stage here to felicitate Miss Namrata Kalia ma'am. She is the founder for Moms and More Community for Women, and she is getting the award for Community Builder, recognizing in the field of Community Builder. She's an influencer and a social marketing personnel. So congratulations to you. Next, I would like to call upon Suchana. Congratulations, Suchana. Next up, I would like to call upon Kavita Sharma. And next set of people, Dr. Prachi, Entrepreneur of the Year. She has an event management service-based business. So Kavita Sharma. Okay. So Tanushree ma'am, yeah, please come on stage on the behalf of Kavita Sharma. She'll be taking the award. She's from Kolkata. Okay. Oh, congratulations to Kavita. Next up, I would like to call upon Shikha Verma. She's the founder for Whiteage. Shikha Verma.
Lovely to see you.
Next up, we have Piyasha Mitra. Yeah, and she's getting the award under the category Global Impact Award. She's the leader for Nature's Grace. She's into healthcare and wellness. And of course, she's a change maker in this category. Dr. Neelam is a Reiki Grandmaster, Advanced Suzhou Therapist, Animal Healer, Switch Words Expert and a Naturopath. Owns a company, NK Financial Advisor. Congratulations. Gunjan ma'am is here. Swati will. Okay. Swati, if you can do the honors. Okay, Gunjan ma'am. 1 second, guys. Gunjan ma'am is also. Ma'am, please can you felicitate us? Congratulations, Neeti ma'am. Congratulations for the award. Also hold the award. Really, yes. I'm very happy to see you today. Next up, I would like both of you to please stay here. Welcome you here, ma'am. So, Bhumi Urban is a non-profit organization working for awareness on sustainable living. I must say it's a very beautiful name, Bhumi Urban. Congratulations to all the winners. So now I would like to hand over the mic to all.
Starts, from its inception in Gurgaon. I was there for their launch, and so to get an award for having the community, and I so strongly believe that when we were growing up, we used to live in joint families. We used to rely, our parents used to rely on our aunties and buas and chachis. We moved to cities and we are mostly in nuclear setups, but we need that village. And my community, Moms and More, does that. It provides the support that we need because women believe moms, going through the same thing as them. And now that I'm a creator on Instagram as well, and I'm creating content which is very relevant to moms, the issues we face, and if one woman, one mother looks at that content and feels heard, seen, or empowered, I feel my job is done. So thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you.
I'm very good. This is what we are made for, I guess, as a woman. Fight your battle, empower each other, support each other. When I started the journey, I wasn't a mom, but mom is a blessing. These days, girls, they realize it much later. But going back to the roots and hearing your grandmas, it always feels that we are privileged and blessed. My entrepreneurial journey started after I became a mom, 12, 15 years now, in the business of course, content creator much later, but as an entrepreneur, as event curator, brand launches. Before that, I always say I have retired quite early from my corporate job. 12 years with different hotels, Mercedes, Grand Hyatt, Jack Daniels. I was then a general manager marketing communication. No regrets. As a woman, we shouldn't be having any regret. If we can touch one life, that is of course my own belonging of a kid and then the community I belong to. So my voice in Instagram always emphasize on that. Make it larger than life. Live in the moment and become what you want from the life. It's you who can do it. And the slogan is, yes, I can. Thank you.
Thank you, Suchna.
Yesterday night I was talking to her and I was talking about the award and she was like, आपने भेजा and I applied. I did not realize कि ये Delhi का है and अब मैं क्या करूँ? So I told her I will take the award on your behalf and she was like, please go for it because I have to prove to this world. She recently, probably in the last 4 years, she probably has lost her husband. So she's going through a tough time and she has a lot to show and a lot to prove to her family. She has 3 kids and she's an event manager. So she told me that this award means a lot to me. So if you can bring that award to me and give it to me here in Kolkata, I'll be highly obliged and I'll always try to do even better, in life and achieve even more milestones. So that's Kavita Sharma for you. Thank you.
Is India. And to say a little bit of myself, I'm in this travel industry for now 20 years. I started with the corporate sector, so with Sita and then American Express Travel Services. Then I was associated with this Australian company called Flight Centre. In 2015, I took a sabbatical for long after my child's birth, and in 2015 I started Crafting Journeys. So we are now an all-women team, and this award is not just a personal achievement but a testament to the beautiful team I have, to the travelers who actually share the journey with us. So the stint that I had in the corporate sector for 9 years, so I carried all that with me, and we have created some beautiful SOPs in our company which actually differentiate us from the regular rut of travel companies that are there in the market. So we are a very transparent organization creating beautiful experiences for people, and we do everything to do what customization is at the peak. So like our name of the company, Crafting Journeys, so we craft every tour and we go to any extent to what our traveler wants. So we've got a very niche clientele, not just niche, but every traveler is a very happy customer. They go explore place and they come back as a storyteller and tell us different experiences they've had. So it's a beautiful journey, and so we would like to carry it this way, and we want your support, too, so that we can grow further. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You can keep it there, only there with the next one coming up here. So Dr. Neelam ma'am.
Everyone, my name is Dr. Neelam Parwani. I'm a Reiki Grandmaster, Advanced Physiotherapist, Animal Healer, Spiritual Expert and a Positivity Coach. And yes, I am a health change maker because my life completely changed when I came into holistic healing. Holistic healing has actually saved me twice in my life. So my journey started in 2012 when I was on bed for a year because of my back pain. And I still remember those days when the whole day I only used to look at the ceiling and wonder kitne baj gaye, kab din khatam hoga. And from there, today I am standing here in front of you. First time, that was the first surviving act I had through holistic healing, which helped me come back to my feet. And that's when I decided from a corporate world I moved into the world of wellness. Uske baad I started my work, I started it individually and then I realized मेरे जैसे बहुत से हैं जिनको इसकी ज़रूरत है, and corporate world was a big stream where everybody was suffering from cervical, from back pain, and they were looking for holistic healing. COVID has been a boon for us, trust me. That was the first time people actually started believing in holistic healing. तो ऊपर वाला कभी कभी miracles देता है, and that was a miracle for all the healers, I suppose. The second time after the COVID was the time when I decided we want to have a wellness community. Not only me, but I want all the panel experts from different modalities to take advantage of this holistic healing and create this awareness pan-India. So we have 30 experts from different modalities promoting natural products, nutrition and different healings. As they say, हर एक का भगवान अलग-अलग होता है, लेकिन faith एक ही होता है. उसी तरीके से आप किसी भी हीलर के पास जाओ, हीलिंग आपको अच्छी ही मिलती है जो आपके मेंटल और इमोशनल वेलनेस को बहुत मदद करती है. एंड टुडे वी ऑल आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट मेंटल एंड इमोशनल वेलनेस व्हिच इज इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट एज आवर फिजिकल वेलनेस. Again, the second time holistic healing saved me in 2021. So I am a cancer survivor, grade 3 breast cancer, and I have not taken till date any allopathy treatment. And I am very proud to say that I am a living example who can say every critical disease can be cured through holistic healing. My community name is Nature's Grace Miracles of Holistic Healing, where we have 4,000 members and 30 panel experts. And we do have a couple of our team members here. I feel really proud that I have been able to contribute into making a change and creating awareness for holistic health.
Can you call your team members also here on stage?
Yes, please. Divya, Diksha, Renuji, please. They all are a part of Nature's Grace Miracles of Holistic Healing, and they all are promoting different kind of wellness. So Renuji is a yoga expert. Divya is creating digital wellness.
Applause for them, guys, please.
And Diksha is a financial wellness coach. So I believe wellness सिर्फ health की नहीं, mind की भी होती है, और पैसा तो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है जो stress देता है. So that wellness comes from Diksha. She is a yoga expert and she is a digital expert because आजकल likes और dislikes भी बहुत stress create करते हैं. So she is the one who guides us through that. Thank you so much for supporting us and thank you for being here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you to all of you. Neeti ma'am, you can.
5 years in corporate, and when I got retired, I said I am retired, but I'm not tired. I wanted to go further. I wanted to do something for the community, and then someone told me, why don't you do some networking? And I got into, empowering women. When we started here first, she said, women freedom is not given; it's taken. And that is where it is, that we need to empower ourselves, and I'm into ensuring that we celebrate like this every day. Even when we have silver in our hair, we still have gold in our hand. Till lifelong, you all have a good passive income, and that's where I come in. I help everyone to ensure how you have to just take a little bit of the money for yourself. Because today I believe every woman must have in her kitty a very good life insurance, a very good health insurance, a critical insurance, and an accidental insurance, because we think accidents are on the road, accidents are at home also. So when you have an accident, income stops, your income, passive income should continue. And I believe every woman should be empowered till the end. जो हाथ हमेशा देते हैं वो देने वाले ही रहें, ना कि हम लें किसी से. So this is what I believe.
Thank you ma'am. Miss नीना धवन.
मैं हूँ नीना धवन और भूमि अर्पण इज माय एनजीओ's नेम. हम भूमि को समर्पित करते हैं. ये ऐसा समय है कि हमारी भूमि, हमारे पर्यावरण को हमारी ज़रूरत है. तो जैसे आज सब कह रहे हैं वुमेन्स डे हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, उसी का अवार्ड मुझे भी मिला है. तो मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि एज कोई ये नहीं है कि बुढ़े हो गए तो कुछ नहीं करेंगे. मैं 70 इयर्स की हूँ शायद, और मैंने 15 साल पहले अपनी रिटायरमेंट के बाद भूमि अर्पण एनजीओ खोला था, जिसमें सारी लेडीज हैं और वो भी रिटायर्ड. और हम लोग सारे पर्यावरण के इश्यूज, कोई भी इशू ले लीजिए पर्यावरण का, प्लास्टिक नहीं चलाना, पौधे लगाने हैं या कोई भी इशू, पटाखे नहीं चलाने हैं, ऑल द इश्यूज वी डील इन दैट। हम कैंपेन करते हैं, हम वर्कशॉप्स करते हैं, स्कूल में जाते हैं, यहाँ तक कि कितनी पार्टीज में या मंदिर में या कहीं कीर्तन हो रहा है वहाँ भी जाते हैं और जाके पर्यावरण के बारे में सबको बताते हैं, क्योंकि ये पता होना चाहिए, हमें ज़रूरत है। और आज की डेट में हमने 2000 से ऊपर क्लॉथ बैग्स बांटे हैं। हम जो अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड वुमेन होती हैं उनसे पूछ लेते हैं कि भैया तुम क्या कर सकते हो, तुम्हारी पॉकेट मनी बन जाएगी। तो इस तरह से हम अपसाइकिल करके हम क्लॉथ बैग्स बांटते हैं और कहते हैं कि प्लास्टिक थैली नहीं लगी। और आज मैं ये सबको एक मैसेज भी देना चाहती हूँ कि जितने यहाँ पर्स हैं, इन सब पर्स में एक छोटा सा कपड़े का बैग होना चाहिए, ताकि जब भी हम कुछ खरीदें तो हम कह सकें उस शॉपकीपर को, भैया प्लास्टिक नहीं चाहिए मेरे पास। हमारे दादा परदादा भी घर से थैला लेके जाते थे, तो हम सबको बोल सकते हैं कि थैला लेके जाओ। तो ये मेरा NGO काम करता है। और साथ में मैं इसकी अवेयरनेस कैसे क्रिएट करती हूँ, मैं कैनवा पे पोस्टर्स बनाती हूँ। मैंने आज की डेट में 2500 से ज़्यादा पोस्टर्स बनाए हैं। और भूमि अर्पण, आप अगर फेसबुक पे देखेंगे, भूमि अर्पण है मेरा पेज, और इंस्टाग्राम में है नीनाज भूमि अर्पण। आप यहाँ भूमि अर्पण इंडिया भी है, उसमें आप देखेंगे मोस्टली पोस्टर्स जो बने हुए हैं पर्यावरण के ऊपर, वो मेरे हाथ से बने हैं। मैं खाली घर बैठे हुए बनाती हूँ। तो दिस इज माय रोल। मैं ये काम करती हूँ भूमि अर्पण के लिए, भूमि को समर्पित करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Neena ma'am.
It's good work, ma'am.
So, all right, moving on.
Your security, your surety of a happy life.
कौन-कौन है इन्वेस्टमेंट में? कौन-कौन किस-किसने कर रखा है अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट?
First of all, thank you so much for having us over here, and thank you, Motherhood, for giving us this opportunity. It is really important. अब बहुत सारे thought process सुने मैंने from the side of ladies, women empowerment and stuff like that. Anil sir, you were so great, from scratch to being so great. हम लोग ladies के point of view से तो सोचते हैं, but think about from my point of view. Grown up like a kid with a lady. She's my inspiration. She taught me what I am today, and because of her. What I think, what I feel, how I behave is just because of her. Then I grew up, my wife is here. Again, everything which comes to my heart, everything which I feel, okay, this would be difficult, this is easy, everything is from a lady. I have my sister, my niece, all of them are giving me inspiration. So thank you, ladies. It's a pleasure to have you here, and it's all because of you. Mind it, it is all because of you. Thank you. So, is the presentation ready? Can I have this slide over?
Before Utkarsh starts the presentation, I would like to, say some few words about the investment and about the awareness, being financially independent. So, see, today's forum, 98% are women, and everyone is so independent and they are doing so great in their life. But when it comes to taking a financial decision, I feel they are still reluctant to take the decision on financial ground. Somehow they are so dependent on their husbands or maybe on some other person to take their financial advice, decisions. So that's the thought behind we have started Safe Capital. So me and Utkarsh, in personal life, we both are husband wife, and professional ground, we both are investment bankers. It's been 1.5 years old that we have started and thought to start Safe Capital. to make people financially independent. It's just not to make people, it's a woman especially, because in today's era when the women are so independent in all the fields, all the ground, and they are taking and they are leading all the fields, but when it comes to knowing how financially independent and aware where to put the money, how to put the money, I think there are a lot of work to do in that field also. So that's how we thought, okay, let's start the Safe Capital. Of course, we have some other agendas to start the Safe Capital, which I think will be highlighted by Mr. Utkarsh. But now I think when we are called ourselves as an independent woman, I think we should be independent in terms of knowing the financial, attributes, financial decision as well. That's the only thought that we have think upon it. So now over to Utkarsh. Utkarsh will be highlighting about the Safe Capital and what is the journey of Safe Capital, why we have started Safe Capital, what we are doing, how we are making people financially independent. Financially independent means they are completely independent in terms of taking the decision at any age of at their own. So over to you, Utkarsh.
Thank you so much. So what you see right here, any guesses? What is it? Golden era is clearly written. Why is it that we call India as in a golden era? Can I have some answers from you people?
It is growing. Our country is growing, fastest growing country in the world.
That's very right, huh?
Financially, also they are positioning themselves better.
That is right. Any more answers for that? Yes, very right.
So a lot of entrepreneurs are coming now and growing and adding to the economy of the country.
That is very true. Prachi ma'am, आपने बोला था it's about good lifestyle, yes, right? It is coming in India. So yes, and it is. I know what the context which you're talking about, maybe good health, yes, eating healthy, stuff like that. But all that needs a lot of goodness in the nation. That's how it drops on you. So it is so important. And India is coming to the golden era. Why? We are the third largest army in the world. We are the 5th largest GDP. We will reach to be the 3rd largest by 28, which is so great. And we are one of the most youngest nation. We have people who are youth and ready to work. You know how important youth in a nation is. This recollects me of an instance when I was in Japan and it was an event from Nippon, which is a mutual fund house. I could meet a very eminent economist over there. And I happened to ask him, sir, Japan was doing so great. After Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan में जो development हुआ वो कहीं नहीं हुआ. But why is it that in the last 1 decade, पिछले 10 सालों में Japan is degrowing? And
specific questions around PMS, around gold, inflation, fancy words, right? So और बहुत अच्छे से उत्कर्ष सर ने आंसर भी किया उसको. तो मैं कुछ और सोच के आया था प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए, बट अब मेरे को कुछ और आइडियाज़ हैं जो मैं आपके सामने प्रेजेंट करना चाहता हूँ. एंड आई विल ट्राई टू कीप इट इंटरेक्टिव एंड यू विल लव इट. एंड स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम अ थॉट, एक जो क्वेश्चन आया था अभी कि कौन सी एज से स्टार्ट करना है. सो आई विल रिकमेंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस सेशन देयर इज़ अ वीडियो फ्रॉम माय एक्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इसका नाम है वन इडियट. वो 35 मिनट्स की मूवी है एंड आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू शो दैट मूवी टू योर किड्स. इट इज़ फ्रॉम माय एक्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन IDFC आई यूज्ड टू वर्क विद. सो वी हैड क्रिएटेड इट समवेयर अराउंड 15 years बैक. वो प्लीज़ अपने किड्स को शो करो. उसमें एक 6 साल का बच्चा है, वो बताता है, एक उसका बड़ा भाई होता है, एक 6 साल का बच्चा होता है, वो बड़ा भाई कॉलेज में होता है. तो वहाँ पे डेविड गोएटा का कॉन्सर्ट हुआ था आज से 15-16 साल पहले. तो वो बड़ा भाई छोटे भाई को बोलता है, कहता है कि यार मेरे को अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को उस कॉन्सर्ट में लेके जाना है, पापा से मैं पैसे लेता हूँ, 15,000 का टिकट है मेरा और मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का. तो छोटा भाई बोलता है, बेटा पापा के पास, पापा तो पहले ही EMI के बोझ के तले दबे हुए हैं, उनसे क्या मांग रहा है, मांगना तो छोटे वाले से मांग. वो छोटे वाला समझाता है. तो वो बड़े वाला छोटे वाले भाई से पूछता है, अरे तेरे पास कहाँ से आ गए 15,000 रुपये? कहता बहुत सारी नानी की पॉकेट, वो जो राखी पे पैसे आते हैं, दिवाली के बर्थडे कार्ड, जो एनवेलप्स आते हैं, वो सारे मेरे को किसी ने सिखाया है कि मैं SIP में वो धीरे धीरे करके पापा के अकाउंट से मैं धीरे धीरे करके उसमें डाल देता हूँ। जितनी मेरे को ज़रूरत होती है मैं अपना पॉकेट मनी रख लेता हूँ, और बाकी का अगर मेरे को 15,000 रुपये आए हैं तो that whole movie surrounds to that concept that and Warren Buffett also say, Warren Buffett has started investing at the age of 13. तो वो बोलते हैं कि 13 साल में लेट हूँ इन्वेस्टिंग में, especially for my kids, and thankful to many of you doctors. I got blessed with a baby boy 2 years back, right? तो वो Cloud9 से हुआ था तो वो आपका कॉम्पिटिटर है, बट हाँ, तो अगर अब कुछ हुआ तो मैं मदर उठा जाऊँगा। तो that movie, please note it down, especially show it to your kids, grandkids. वो बहुत ज़बरदस्त चीज़ है, वहाँ पे इम्पैक्ट आएगा। सो बहुत फैंसी बातें हो गई मेरे लिए। अभी का सेशन ना ज़्यादा विमेन एम्पावरमेंट के ऊपर ज़्यादा फोकस मेरे को करने का माइंडसेट है, और विमेन एम्पावरमेंट की, और जब मैं लेडीज से स्पेशली एक क्लोज रूम में एज एन स्पेशली यू नो मेजॉरिटी लेडीज आर सिटिंग हियर, ऐसे रूम में मैं बात करता हूँ ना, तो मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ कि वी आर ब्लेस्ड, हमारे पेरेंट्स एंड यू गाइज तो आर इवन यू नो मोर स्टेबल एंड थिंग्स आर वेरी यू नो टचवुड गुड, एंड डॉक्टर्स है ना भाई। मैं सबसे ज़्यादा इन्फ्लेशन कहाँ पे है? 2 ही सेक्टर में है। एक है एजुकेशन, माँ बाप सोचता नहीं है ना, वो अगर उसकी 15,000 फीस है, 18,000 फीस है, बच्चे की सोचेगा नहीं। उसके बाद फिर हेल्थ केयर में जो मेजर इन्फ्लेशन से अफेक्टेड 2 मेजर सेक्टर्स हैं भाई। टमाटर प्याज आज भी मिल जाते हैं 25-30 रुपए किलो, दालें आज भी मिल जाती हैं, राइस एंड पल्सेस एंड बेसिक। अगर हम नॉर्मल खाना खाएं ना तो 3-4 लोगों की फैमिली आराम से 10-15 हज़ार में हाई क्वालिटी का फूड एक्सपीरियंस कर सकती है विद इन अ मंथ। बट सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लमेटिक और इन्फ्लेटेड जो सेक्टर्स हैं, एंड गुड फॉर अस, थर्ड फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर है जिसमें मैं हूँ, तो मैं थर्ड पे आता हूँ, बट स्टिल एजुकेशन एंड, तो मैं कह रहा हूँ हम लोगों को ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग है। पर मेरे को एक थॉट आपको यहाँ आज छोड़ के जाना है कि आपसे के आसपास जितनी भी लेडीज़ है ना, आप उनको भी अवेयर करो। तो मैं एक छोटी सी स्टोरी से स्टार्ट करता हूँ। वो 1 Idiot, आई होप सबने नोट कर लिया होगा, प्लीज़ देखना उसको। माई फेवरेट मूवी, आई हैड सीन दैट मूवी मोर देन 100 टाइम्स। तो आई विल स्टार्ट विद अ स्टोरी। आज इंडिया में विमेन एम्पावरमेंट को पर्सपेक्टिव रखते हुए फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस कितनी है विमेन के अंदर, तो एक एक्सरसाइज करी थी किसी बी स्कूल में, IIM ने करा था। उसमें क्या किया, 5 कपल्स को बुलाया गया, जेंट्स को एक साइड पे खड़ा करा गया, लेडी एंड एवरीबडी इज वर्किंग, both the you know spouse are working and all the 5 couples are working in some corporate. All the you know sample size were taken from ex-alumni from IIMs. तो वो लेडीज एक साइड थी और जेंट्स एक साइड थे। पहला क्वेश्चन पूछा गया कि मैगी किस किस को बनानी आती है। उसमें एक रूल क्या था कि 5 स्टेप्स थे, इनफैक्ट 6 स्टेप्स थे। आपका अगर आंसर सही होगा तो आपको एक स्टेप आगे रखना है, अगर आपका आंसर गलत होगा तो आपको एक स्टेप पीछे लेके जाना है। मैं आपको इंडिया के अंदर लेडीज के पर्सपेक्टिव में फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस की कंडीशन बता रहा हूँ जिसपे आप लोगों ने काम करना है, क्योंकि आप लोगों के साथ स्पेशली जिस फील्ड में आप हो, आपको तो सारा सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ फीमेल होगा मेरे हिसाब से, जहाँ तक मैं मतलब मेजॉरिटी ऑफ स्टाफ। तो अपने साथ आपके ऊपर मतलब उस पर भी आऊँगा कि अपने पोर्टफोलियोज को आप कैसे रीबैलेंस करो। पर सर ने बहुत सारी गाइडेंस उस पर दे दी है। मेरे पास भी कुछ टेक्निकल चीज़ें हैं, वो मैं एंड में करूँगा। बट सबसे पहले स्टेट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी इन इंडिया फॉर वुमेन देख लेते हैं, जिसके जो टॉर्च बेयरर हैं वो आप सब लोग हो, हम लोग हैं। अगर मैं फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम कंडक्ट करता हूँ तो मैं हूँ। तो क्या होता है उसमें पूछा जाता है कि आप किस किस को मैगी बनानी आती है, तो लेडीज ऑल्सो टेक अ स्टेप अहेड एंड गाइज ऑल्सो टेक अ स्टेप अहेड। दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि आपको आपकी लाइफ स्पैन में या लाइफ में सूर्य नमस्कार का रेलेवेंस क्या है और उससे क्या बेनिफिट होते हैं, किस किस को सूर्य नमस्कार का पता है। तो दोनों लोग आगे स्टेप कर देते हैं, दोनों सेकेंड स्टेप पे आ जाते हैं। तीसरा क्वेश्चन वो पूछते हैं कि आपका जो ओवरऑल एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड है वो सॉलिड रहा है, क्योंकि IIM से थे तो दोनों का आंसर यस आता है। वो तीनों अब हाफ वे पे गेम के या उस एक्सरसाइज के कंडक्ट में दोनों एक ही लेवल पे है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है 100% बैंक अकाउंट में जो पार्टिसिपेशन, आपके अपने बैंक अकाउंट में 100% का पार्टिसिपेशन किसका है दोनों में से? तो गाइस तो बोलते हैं यस, लेडीज बोलती है भी और नहीं भी, मतलब आंसर कुल मिला के जो मेजॉरिटी का आता है आउट ऑफ दोस 5 सैंपल्स है वो नो होता है, तो वो एक स्टेप पीछे ले लेते हैं। तो दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि यहाँ पे जो लेडीज हैं या जितना सैंपल साइज है, ये जो सैंपल साइज ने जो इंश्योरेंस डिसीजंस लिए हैं अपनी लाइफ के, इंडिविजुअली थॉट करके या उसके ऊपर रिसर्च करके कितने लोगों ने लिए हैं? तो गाइस फिर एक स्टेप आगे आ जाते हैं, वो लेडीज कहती है मेरे हस्बैंड ने ले लिया, या मेरे कंपनी ने मेरे को दे दिया, या मेरे फादर ने, या जो भी उनका एज ब्रैकेट था, जो भी उनका फैमिली सिनेरियो था, उस हिसाब से वो एक स्टेप और पीछे आ जाते हैं। अगला क्वेश्चन आता है अपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को कितने लोग अपने आप हैंडल करते हैं? तो गाइस फिर एक स्टेप आगे चले जाते हैं और लेडीज पीछे चली जाती है। तो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द सीरियसनेस ऑफ दिस टॉपिक, व्हाट वी ऑल हैव टू वर्क टुगेदर, स्पेशली फॉर आवरसेल्व्स, and fortunately in this room we are well equipped and intelligent to take those decisions, and most probably you guys must be taking it, but उस 100% सैंपल साइज में से जो ऑडियंस बैठी है वो शुरू का 5-7% है, नीचे वाले तो उनको बैंक अकाउंट हैंडल करना नहीं आता। my wife is a fully chartered accountant CA working for last 7 years. I am taking her insurance decisions. या अब उसमें भी 3 चीजें हैं, एक तो करना ही नहीं चाहते, एक कहते हैं मैंने कोशिश करी थी पर मेरे को समझ नहीं आया तो मैंने छोड़ दिया, और एक कैटेगरी है हम करते हैं। तो जो करती है कैटेगरी वो 20 है, जो करना ही नहीं चाहती है वो 40 है, और रिमेनिंग है जिन्होंने थोड़ा किया थोड़ा छोड़ दिया। बट अगर मेरे को फाइनेंशियली स्टेबल होना है एज अ विमेन या एज अ इंडिविजुअल, तो मेरे को ये 3 डिसीजंस अपने लाइफ के लेने पड़ेंगे। तो मेरा टेक अवे पहले 5 मिनट से ये है कि आर इंश्योरेंसेस वी शुड बी वेल अवेयर, वी शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर एडवाइजर हु विल गाइड अस ऑन टू दोज नोट्स। सेकेंड, मेरा बैंक में क्या है, कैसे है, कैसा नहीं है वो पता होना चाहिए। प्लस मेरे इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजंस एक सेट ऑफ एडवाइजर्स या एक गुड एडवाइजर के साथ कनेक्टेड होके मेरे को वो लेने चाहिए, ऐसा मेरे को बोला गया। अब इस एक्सरसाइज में ना एक चीज़ और हुई थी जो मैंने अपना पर्सनल ऐड किया था, वो तो मैंने पढ़ी थी। तो उसमें ना वो जो वो होता है एंकर होता है, वो पूछता है लेडीज से भाई ऐसा क्यों है, ऐसा क्यों है, मतलब वो जेंट से पूछता है एंकर कि भाई ऐसा क्यों है कि ये पीछे चले गए। तो वो गाय बोलता है कि यार, पांचों बोलते हैं कि यार हमने तो इन्हें पावर दी हुई है, हमने इन्हें फ्रीडम दी हुई है, ये कर सकती हैं जो करना है, हमने रोका नहीं है। तो एंकर बोलता है यही सारी गड़बड़ है। मेरे को अगर आज भी इंडिपेंडेंस के इतने सालों बाद हमारे विमेन स्पेस तक चले गए हैं, वी हैव अ रीसेंट एग्जांपल एंड मेनी एग्जांपल, एंड आई एम मतलब आप लोगों को देख के मैं एक्साइटेड हूँ कि कितना लेवल पे एक मतलब हो सकता है अंडरस्टैंडिंग और मतलब सपोर्ट हो सकता है इकॉनमी को। तो वो एंकर यही बोलता है कि प्रॉब्लम ही अभी ये है कि वो लड़का बोल रहा है कि मैंने इसको फ्रीडम दे रखी, अरे वो तो इंटाइटल्ड है, वो बोल ही यही रहा है कि फ्रीडम दे रहा। अरे तू कौन होता है भाई फ्रीडम देने वाला, आज़ाद देश है, सबके पास आज़ादी है, आप देने वाले नहीं होते हो। तो just covering or connecting the dots for the first 5 minutes whatever.
In my full gratitude, say thanks to Tanu. I know her for many years. Just give me a second, yeah. So I know her for many years, and today standing here, it reminds me of the day when I started my entrepreneur journey. Honestly, I was excited but unsure at the same time, not realizing what impact it will make on my journey and what impact I can bring it to the world. So for me, I'll tell you, not only that we've created happy homes, we've successfully completed over 150 projects in Delhi, NCR, other cities as well as Dubai, but what I really am
take pride in.
She's getting the award under the category Healthcare and Wellness Change Maker. Thank you. She has successfully built and nurtured a thriving community of 80,000 women in just 5 years, fostering social engagement and business growth. Congratulations. Chinese Crochet, a social enterprise empowering 400 plus women artisans across India through fair wages. Thank you. Thank you, Kavita. Certified financial planner, one of only 3,200 in India, and the founder of Penny Pathshala. Behind Ronetta Creations, a brand dedicated to artistic craftsmanship and creative excellence. Congratulations, ma'am. And a visionary behind Afreen by Pooja Chopra. Ma'am, you're looking wonderful today. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to be on stage for another one. Samarpan Child Development Center. So we were having a little bit of conversation off stage as well. She deals with she's in Faridabad. It's the first and the oldest pediatric therapy entrepreneur mentor. Anu Takshila is Mrs. India Worldwide 2018 Congeniality winner. She's a Reiki master and a counseling psychologist. Congratulations. Thank you, Bina.
कह दिया तो यही कमाया मैंने और कुछ नहीं।
स्टेज में और मैं मतलब ऑन दी ऑडियंस साइड, और मैं चाहती हूँ कि सब सुने, बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू डेडिकेट अ वेरी स्पेशल अवार्ड टू अ वेरी स्पेशल person who is no more with us, and she had a very soft corner for me. She met me hardly once or twice, but you know, she treated me no less than a daughter. She was a very influential woman, an educator, a social change maker, and whenever I used to come to Delhi NCR, she used to tell me, Tanu, you come to my house, you stay with me, you stay with my daughter, we'll make arrangements for you. That was the love that she used to give. She used to pack gifts for my son. She used to give those gifts to me. She was a very special person, and she is no one else than Vinny ji's mother, late Mrs. Sunita Khanna. So I will request Vinny ji to come on stage. She recently lost her mother, and it was a very sad moment, because when I heard of this news, I went to my messenger and I checked. There were so many messages that she had, you know, put in that, and I had not reverted back, maybe because of, you know, being busy. And today, you know, I'm here, I'm back to Delhi after, you know, 2 years, and she's not there. Had she been here, I would have definitely visited her, and I would have loved to give this to her. But, you know, maybe that was not meant to be.
a very tough moment, I know. Must have been a tough ride, but all the prayers for your mom and of course for you to be more stronger and taking this ahead.
So first of all, thank you Tanu for saying such nice things about mom. And I know the tears from your eyes rolling down show how much you love her and how much respect you had for her. And this is a big tribute to her. How many people get awards after they pass away, and I think Mummy is the lucky one. And I know she's there. Last 3 days I've been getting some, hints that I probably see, a feather, or I just see some flickering light, or I just see, and I know she's happy about it, because when Tanu told me that, she's instituting an award in Mummy's name, I actually was talking to her photo like I talk every day, and I was telling her, but yesterday while I was making, heating food for my son, I was standing in the kitchen and I saw this light flickering on the right side of the pantry, and I was like, I know that's mom, Day before I walked into the kitchen, and the kitchen door, while being locked, the door opened on its own. And the day before that, I saw, white feathers around in the balcony, which is of course very common for most of you to see, but some people say it's angels' signatures, So I know mom, you're there. I know you're always around me. Losing mom was the worst thing of the life. I think it was the worst incident. I lost my dad 10 years back, but my mom, in spite of being a physically handicapped person, she got it when I was born. 46 years of pain she endured, but she was such a go-getter, and I want to remember her for all the good things that she said, she did, and the kind of social work she did, the kind of work and environment she did, the way she progressed towards women empowerment. She encouraged women like Tanu, who were starting from a scratch. And like she says, I know our messenger is full of messages of people from all across the world, from Africa, from Canada, from Australia, from Germany. I have been receiving condolence messages every single day ever since she has passed away on February 6th. Losing her was definitely a big loss for the family, but also not only for the family, but for so many well-wishers who have been caringly sending us so much love and messages. But mom, I know we live through you, and the values that you have, given to me, my family, my children, will always and always remain. And I really wish that you are alive to receive this in person, but nevertheless, I know I entered the stage, I walked to the stage with a cry, but I'm going to go back smiling because you deserve it, and we love you wherever you are. I'm sure you're pain-free and you're in a good space. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dana.
Can I have the mic? Yes.
Can we have a picture first?
Thank you so much for this honor, and coming from somebody like her, who's a trailblazer when it comes to building communities. And the Power Connector, I think today I just realized that there are so many wonderful women around here doing fabulously well in so much, so different career lines. They're managing houses, they're building their path forward. I think that is what this today's event was all about, and all our special guests who are not here right now, they are the women in male fields who are leading us on. That is what women empowerment is all about, and I think all of us on Facebook, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, we are connecting world, we are building a new community together. So thank you so much.
Thank you and congratulations.
And I'm so honored to present this to Namrata because I watch her content, and if you are not watching it, you're missing out on some good, feed on your
follow her
Instagram.
today.
Please.
Next up, I would Miss Apurva Singh, please come on stage. So she's gonna talk about unleashing the power within, the powerful you. Let's hear it out from Apurva Singh.
I'll take a picture.
But I request all of you all to please be seated. She'll just take 5-10 minutes and listen to her, and then we are gonna leave.
So I'm Apurva Singh, and I'm someone you can see in the poster here. And I tried to wear the same dress, trying to just tell that we can repeat our dresses as women. We don't need to wear different dresses all the time. And one of my inspiration is my baby boy. I actually wanted a baby girl. Again, Sanjay Wazir is his pediatrician. He was born in Cloud9, but we have since then been associated with motherhood. So basically I am a McKinsey consultant, ex-McKinsey consultant is what I would say. But last year I started my own company. I lead a tech company. We build Gen AI solutions, software solutions for companies worldwide. However, this is one of the mission where I felt I needed it when I became a mother. And I felt there's nothing out there for new moms especially, where they could be empowered on how to take care of themselves and their children. A lot of things, like there are influencers, but not a platform where they could learn about these things. So I myself learned a lot from many coaches and thought that probably I should bring it all together on one platform. So we have many coaches all together where we empower women on 6 dimensions. Mindset, relationships, health and fitness, these are our personal dimensions, and professional being financial training. Professional training, we have helped many women get back into career. We have actually even stopped suicide, some of them last year and this year, because some of the women reached out. And last being some toddler programs that I did with my children, and we have been building some for the children. So I don't think the PPT is working, but it was just about my journey. It's okay. Maybe I can just talk about it. So yeah, this is our platform. We can be reached out at our website, thepowerfulyou.in. For anybody you think who's a new mom or a mom of even teens, our coaches are associated with our doctors and our coaches who help them out, and we bring people together to help them out. So yeah, that's all I would say. We have an upcoming webinar in case you have how to join and how to balance. Because I think I did a great job of managing my career and my personal life.
किस किस को अपना रील में चाहिए पिक्चर या ब्लॉग में अपना पिक्चर चाहिए, तो प्लीज पे अटेंशन. हाँ, ब्लॉग पार्टनर को मिल रहा है अवार्ड. यस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डूइंग दिस फॉर अस एंड वंडरफुली कैप्चरिंग दिस इवेंट.
सबको टैग करना, सबको टैग करना.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
हेलो एवरीवन,
I'll request both of you to please
मैं
be on stage.
प्रोफेशनली एक वेडिंग फोटोग्राफर हूँ, और अभी जिस तरीके से अभी कुछ बातें हो रही थी, तनु ने जैसे कहा कि तनु को मैं बहुत टाइम से जानती हूँ. तनु ने अपना एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया कि कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड इज़ नॉट फॉर वुमेन. और कुछ जब वो सुट्टा ब्रेक होता है तो लोग बाहर जाते हैं, बॉस को मस्का लगाते हैं और औरतों के लिए मुश्किलें कर देते हैं. मैं सच बता रही हूँ तनु, अगर हम करने पे आ जाए ना, उसी बॉस के सामने उससे बड़ी कंपनी बनाएंगे. एंड यू आर अ ट्रू एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इट. आप इस सिटी में नहीं रहते हो, ऑल ओवर इंडिया यू आर डूइंग सो ग्रेट वर्क. दिस इज अ ग्रेट इंस्पिरेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. अभी यहाँ पे बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात हुई है. अगर हम एक छोटी सी सीख अपनी आगे की जनरेशन में इन्वेस्ट करें कि हम जो प्रोफेशन है और जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है उसको जेंडर के बियॉन्ड रख के बात करें. एक फोटोग्राफर, वेडिंग फोटोग्राफर एक फीमेल भी हो सकती है. और जब हम किसी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की बात करते हैं, मदरहुड की बात करते हैं, तो वो मदरहुड सिर्फ एक माँ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं होती है, वो दोनों की होती है. अभी सॉरी मैं आपका नाम मिस कर रही हूँ. आपने भी बताया था कि जब फाइनेंशियल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की बात आती है तो औरतें बहुत जगह मिस कर जाती हैं. उनके फादर डिसाइड करते हैं, उनके हस्बैंड डिसाइड करते हैं, क्योंकि ये उनकी अपब्रिंगिंग में रहा है. और अभी हम ये आगे के जनरेशन में हमें ये इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए कि चीज़ें, बहुत सारी चीज़ें, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ वो इक्वल है दोनों के लिए.
Thank you so much. Okay, one last smile for here. Perfect.
Thank you. 2 more awards are left, so I would want the same energy.
So I would like to take this opportunity to thank Motherhood Hospital Gurgaon. They are your one-stop solution for any health-related problems that women face, especially for females in Gurgaon. Please reach out to them. They have various departments, and in the future you will be able to see about what all they are doing in Winningstree forum as well. And thank you so much, Priyanka, Gunjan, Divya, Abhinav, everyone. We have all worked really hard, especially them. They have gone to the SHO office, to all the various places. All the running around, all the errands were done by this team, who are actually standing here and awarding us. But I wish I could give them also a series of trophies. And I remember all the calls, and this was really special. Thank you so much for hosting us, and thank you for trusting Winningstree, and we'll keep this collaborative efforts on in the near future as well. Thank you so much. Thank you Anil sir. Thank you for being here. एक word में आप आ गए, and इतना amazing coverage आप हमारे लिए करेंगे. Thank you so much for being our media partner and encouraging the women here. Thank you. Thank you.
जी
And very cute and pretty.
Miss Winnie Mathur and Tanu, I want you to be on stage for the last award. For the last award of the day. This goes to Miss Divya, who has hosted the event and managed it so well.
Good job. Good job. Amazingly done.
Who stood very well. And as I said again, we are since the time we started Motherhood. Yes. And
I stranded her today almost because I
we
was
don't give people whom we trust. Be it Tanu, be it Divya, be it anyone who are associated with us. In fact, Dennis as well. We don't leave anybody because that's the kind of bond we have. So,
Yeah, I want you to be on stage.
Yes, please, Priyanka, you should be here. Please.
Divya was not getting free. I was looking forward to have a picture with you.
I am coming.
All right. जोर से तालियां.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Good job. Really well done.
Great job. Thank you.
All of you behind the team.
Yes, she has got a lot of.
and who's been working day in day out to put this together. Every slide coming around after every speaker comes up or an awardee comes up is a task. And I think beautifully done, and they're doctors, they're not event managers, I'm sure. So kudos to all of them and to all the participants. Many congratulations for your awards. It has indeed been a great day, and happy Women's Day to everyone, every single day of your life. Thank you.
Yes.
Candid, right? Candid. तुम सब मेरे को congratulate कर सकते हो.
You have enough.